Hello to everyone. How are you? Good to see you over here. In this short video, I'm going to speak with you about how to recover your Instagram account if Instagram actually deleted your account or you got account disabled, if you use automation tools, or I don't know if you just wake up and find out that your account was deleted. So this is me a few days ago. Hello. Here you can see what I try to do. I have my Instagram account, mostly for private use. I don't use it also for marketing, but I just did many things like a lot of scraping, and it actually got blocked a few days ago. And I also it happened to me, and I see many posts of people like my account actually got disabled, and Instagram deleted my account, and what to do. And I see like this topic is become really popular. So I want to show you how you can recover your account, and it's not so complicated, by the way. I did it in 2018. I also did it this year and last year when I did some things with the automation. Okay, so have a look. When you try to log in your account and you get the message story of account disabled, okay, or you don't find your username on Instagram. For example, I will try now to find my username, like one of the usernames that I actually had on the past. And if it cannot find this username, this one, just an example, let's say this one. I think maybe this one will working, but no. Okay, so when it says to you over here, like your account was disabled, like with a red, I try to find you that in the photo. 1 second. How it looks like. Yes, like this. Okay, or you see this message. This one, sorry, or maybe this one. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do is to breathe. Okay, sorry for my accent. I see many people that it happened to them. Also, it's happened to me, and then people start to be crazy and like, oh, what you do to do this, and like they go crazy. So first of all, you have to breathe, and you must know it can happen in every platform that you're using. Okay, you are not the owners of your account. Instagram, Facebook is the owners for your Facebook account, for your Instagram account, for your WhatsApp account. By the way, it also can happen. So you need to remember that. If your Instagram is your main traffic source, so that's the first thing you must change. But let's go back. So this is happening to you. What to do, how to fix it. So you can go to this link, but not on your phone. Please go to your computer. Okay, do this from your computer. And this is the link. I will also put it over here. And this is the official form of Instagram. Okay. And now you must understand that if your account got disabled or got deleted, it doesn't mean that some person did it for you in purpose. It's basically most of the time AI system, automatically system that just deleted account that thinks they validate the system or something like that. Okay, so don't take it personally. And remember, this is all of this form, by the way, it's also automatic response will be. It's not human who you speak to. Just to let you know. So you can read what they're actually saying over here. And here, the first question, it's if it actually was a business account or if it was personal account. Okay. So many people saying always say it's a private account. Okay, but I actually, when it happened to me, and when it was a business account, I actually said it was a business account because that's what it was. Okay. So for example, if it was a business account, I say yes. Now the full name that I will edit is my details. Okay, my full name. Okay, this is the account I actually got disabled. This one. So I put here Adi Anconina. This is my name. Okay, and my username, I will also add that. My email address that was connecting to your Instagram account. Now, many people told me, Adi, I don't have access to this email. That's a bit of an issue, okay, if you don't have access to the email from your Instagram account, okay, because you need to use the same email. And so I don't know how to help you with that, okay, if you don't have the email. But if you do have the access, so you can put here your email. Okay, this was the email I used for this one. Okay, which country are you writing from? So I'm from Israel. Also, most of my connection on the app was from Israel. So I write over here Israel. Okay, if you are from USA, write United States, China, Australia, Canada, no matter what, just put the country that you are most connected from. Now here, because I'm a business, this is what I'm saying, so they want a verification, okay? Really easy. If you have invoice or some article of incorporation or some order, tax, business license, no matter what, okay? And if you have it, so please use that and add it, okay? And just you can put it, just make sure it's a JP file, and then you do I understand, okay? And then you do send. Now, after you do that, in 4 to 5 minutes, you will get an email from Facebook or Instagram, it depends, and then they will ask you to send them some photo, okay? In the photos, they will ask you to put particular number, this is what I write over here, to write your full name and to write your username, okay? So this is what you need to do. Of course, do as they say, if they want more purpose, for example, if they want more files, so give them more files, give them what they want. And always remember, it's not a human being, it's a system, okay? So it's really important. Now let's say you send them back the email with this photo, okay, all good. And then you need to wait, okay? Now it can take 24 hours, 48 hours, mostly after 78 hours, you get it back, okay? But it can take up to 1 month, okay? So what I do when it's happened to me, I continue to send more and more requests. Why? Because I know at some point they will approve that, okay? At some point. And I did actually manage to get my accounts back, and also I helped a few more people to do that. You just need to invest the time, okay, to do this. And I know it's not so fun, and you're probably really busy, and the feeling to do this kind of photo can be a bit embarrassing, but that's okay. This is part of the game. It can happen. And if you do automation, if you do many things that a bit of growth hacking, or if you just, I don't know, nothing happened, but the system got wrong. You know, Instagram has more than 1 billion users, so don't take it personally. It's really important, and that's it. This is basically what I want to show you. Just keep sending the request keep sending them more and more emails until they will give your account back. Now, if you don't want to do it by yourself, and if you say, Adi, thank you, appreciate that, but seriously, I don't have the time for that. I have a business to manage, you know, and I really don't have the time and the patience to do that. So no problem. You can also speak with me. I will also put a file on the bottom that you can actually submit. Okay, and I can also help you get your accounts back with my team. Okay, we just will send this request automatically for you. Okay, until we get the account back. And we charge for that $200, okay? And only if we actually manage to get your account back. If not, so you don't pay, okay? That's the deal. And that's it. But basically, you can also do it by yourself. You don't need me. Okay, you can do it like I show you over here with this file. Don't give up, okay? If it's an account that you invest a few years ago, and if it's something that you care about, so don't just say, "Oh, this bastard deleted my account." It happened to all of us. This is a part of the game. This is the life. Okay, so that's it, guys. I hope I actually managed to help you. If so, please comment below. Tell me what you think about this video if it's helped you. And if you have any questions, so let me know. Have a good one. Thank you. Bye bye.